Before we proceed with this revision review, let me ask you, how long do you spend every day looking at a screen or a display, be it your smartphone, TV or computer? I'm sure that the answer will be a significant number of hours per day, every day. This is why I'd like you to pay close attention to this video. Now, you must know a little something about the revision supplement formula since you are already watching this video. In this revision review, I will look at the formula, functioning and real-world results of revision to see if it does deliver on its promises. By learning in detail about the revision supplement from this review video, you can make an informed decision about its effectiveness, side effects and whether to use this formula or not. What is revision? As you know, revision is a dietary supplement created to help support and sustain good eyesight. Hold on, if you think this is some quack remedy or that you would have no use for it. Firstly, you know that I thoroughly verify the claims, formulas as well as side effects for all health products I review on this channel. Secondly, did you know that a major portion of the American youth is affected by failing vision and eyesight problems even before they hit 30? The emergence of smartphones, constant exposure to bright light, and the like contribute heavily to this issue, and these cases are on the rise. Sooner or later, a significant proportion of youngsters and elders alike are forced to look at the world through a pair of spectacles, or worse, they are robbed of their eyesight and left to live in eternal darkness. You might be surprised to hear that there is no perfect solution available that helps people address and prevent eyesight issues at the earliest, which is a fact. So, the revision supplement claims to be an answer for all such worries. Created from rare and organic herbal ingredients, this formula takes care of all aspects of eyesight. Here, let us take a look at the ingredients of the revision supplement. The ingredients are sourced directly from trusted suppliers by the revision manufacturer to assure your safety as well as lasting results. For example, the revision formula contains caffeine anhydrous, which is a potent compound extracted from pure coffee beans. A recent double-blind study by students at the University of Cape Coast has shown how caffeine intake enhances eyesight and health. Similarly, GABA or gamma aminobutyric acid has been added to this formula as it can help clean up your vision, adding more sharpness and details to what you see. GABA improves neurotransmissions and keeps your nerve cells and brain protected from pathogens, contaminants and the like. This will prevent the long-term damage sustained by the nervous system due to such infections and inflammation. You can also find huperzine A is a similar compound found in the Huperzia serrata plant that helps with your brain functions, neural health, eyesight and more. Another powerful herb in the revision formula is Bacopa monnieri or Brahmi as it is known across India. This herb has been used by the ancient Ayurveda traditions to treat various ailments of the eyes. Also, it is a fact that Brahmi helps boost your brain functions, intelligence, etc. to make life more comfortable and productive. There are many more such herbs and compounds in the revision formula that helps people recover proper eyesight and support the health of the eyes, the brain and more. How does it work? The revision supplement was created based on a recent study conducted by the University of Cape Coast. Their study showed that the degenerative enzyme known as arginase 2 is responsible for the age-related decline in eyesight and vision health. They postulated that by regulating this enzyme, people could support their eyesight for longer. So, the revision supplement presents the body with an array of nutrients, minerals and compounds needed for good eyesight. They target the arginase 2 enzyme to control its production and usage in the body. This will help overcome the neuron degeneration caused by this enzyme as well as other conditions such as infections, inflammations and so on. The herbs will help nourish and healthify all aspects of your vision to enhance it from the ground up. This way you can effectively prevent eyesight issues and sustain good vision as you age. Dosage and usage. The Revision supplement comes in the form of a vegan capsule that is easy to take and fast acting. Each of these contains the patented and proprietary formula of Revision to help make your results rapid. These contain no GMO, gluten, or allergens. The recommended usage of Revision is to take 1 capsule in the morning, after the first meal of the day. You can take it with a glass of water. This dosage is for all users of this formula and requires no modifications to suit you. Just continue the usage as long as you can to get the full benefits of this formula. Also, take care not to overdose, as this will present more harm than good, leading to side effects and other complications. And if you suffer from another illness or are pregnant, consulting a doctor before taking this formula is strongly suggested. Availability. The Revision supplement is available for purchase on their official website at affordable prices. They sell this exclusively on their website to ensure the quality of your purchase. Also, this allows them to keep the Revision prices very low. All in all, the Revision supplement is a formula that you too could try if you are suffering from moderate to severe eyesight problems. It is suitable even for those who can see the early signs of failing eyesight to sidestep this fate. This formula will help to repair and regain the full functionality of your vision. This will guarantee the health of your sense of vision as well as your comfort and happiness. Composed of proven herbal ingredients, the Revision supplement does not require dietary or lifestyle changes, but the dedication of you, the user. It gives fast and lasting results and has no side effects or complaints either. On top of it all, they provide a foolproof money-back policy so you can try it for 60 days risk-free. Along with sharing all the valuable information about the product, we are making it even more convenient for you by providing the official product link in the description box. Get yourself a bottle today itself to see the visible results within weeks. So, if you like the video, please share, like and subscribe to the Consumer Companion.